over here, her project is basically about perfume. Dia buat sendiri. And one fact about it, namanya Faye. And the title of his business is Fragrance.
Fragrance. Okay.
Like fragrance, like dari namanya Faye.
I see.
And
Okay.
there are different type of perfume. And dia buat sendiri.
Fishbone.
I think yang the most famous one is the Cloud Hub.
Cloud
Pasal
Hub,
selalu
okay.
habis in stock.
Oh, the reason why? Because what smell does it give off for this one? For the Cloud Hub one?
It's hard to explain, tapi I really love the smell.
Oh, okay.
Perhaps you can maybe explain. Sorry.
Oh, I'm not good at explaining this.
Ada macam that feeling of
okay.
love.
So at least it's like pleasant kind of smell, not that overwhelming, too strong. Okay.
And so for here, his project is basically dedicated to his late mother lah. Macam Jejak Rindu. That's his his title of this project. Jejak Rindu.
This tree? Oh, okay.
Kira his mother passed away about 3 years ago lah. So his project dedicated to his beloved mother.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Ya buat painting of her mom lah. Sorry, aku nangis.
Yeah. Emotional.
And
Right.
over here, her project is about, if I'm not mistaken, women's punya empowerment lah. Kira.
Women empowerment. Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot to explain the day. Section 2 is about emotion punya section. Tadi about
I
culture
see.
heritage kan, but here is about emotion. That's why banyak projectnya playing role with emotion.
Emotion. Oh, I see.
This is one of the few comments from visitors. Kira motivation lah untuk
Okay.
women empowerment.
Encouragement. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Over here, his project is about childhood memories. Kan once in a while kami kenang-kenang about this zaman kami kanak-kanak kan. But the thing is, kami can see it, but we cannot pass through it.
Pass through it. Oh.
That's why ada macam frameannya.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Ada
Can
frame.
see.
Kira kami only can see from this view lah. We cannot go through it because it's only past memories.
Past memory. Oh.
And that is some of the messages from the past that the visitors put.
Okay. Cool. Can you imagine someone suddenly we are noticing it's like a mirror?
Oh, goodness, I'm one of them as well.
Really?
Aku tantuk.
Oh my.
That's why he needs to simpan.
Oh
his
yeah,
speaker.
sign.
Okay. Over here, kira same project macam perfume tadi, tapi for him dia buat scented candle. There's a guy.
Okay.
His primary project.
Oh, nice.
These are all handmade scented candles, scented for anxiety and stress relief. They're all handcrafted.
Handcrafted. Oh, okay. And
My favorite smell is this one. Macam
Which
makanan
one?
ni.
oh, this one very toasty.
I think you can try to smell it. Sorry though, like orang yang viewers cannot cium.
Yeah, smell, but yeah, it's like very
Macam
sweet.
cake po. Like benar-benar
Yeah,
makanan.
very,
But it's not, it's scented candle.
Scented.
I need to remind myself tu pulang.
Nice, and this one is like coffee smell,
Latte.
black, flowery. Oh, okay. Cool.
Kalau over here, her project is about macam journeys, like in general kami sebagai orang Islam lah. Kira kami macam baca doa, and kami always remind ourselves about apa ni, kira Kaabah kan. Pasal that's one of the, it's not pillar, tapi kira dalam Islam kami mau naik haji, umrah, cerita kan. And that's her main punya theme of this project.
Oh.
And then same with the painting yang di ujung sana, kan kena Bali juga.
Oh.
So
nice.
I think ani yang kena Bali. The other two I'm not
The
sure.
only the middle one if I want to buy. I see.
Lawa.
Nice.
And over here, kira visitors boleh take pictures lah sini. A small
Oh, okay.
section,
Small
kira we
section.
can rehat.
Okay. Cool.
So here, dia punya project, dia buat drawing cartoon kan. So dia apa ni? This is her art cartoon lah style.
Oh,
And then dia ada jual stiker juga lah for sale. It's very unique lah stylenya ni.
nice. And this, what is this? Is this like a duck or something?
I'm not too sure, but I assume
Because
it's a
of
duck.
the big look like
Right,
one.
it can be a duck.
Yeah.
It can also be a platypus. Who knows?
Oh, could be. Yeah.
Runny fish. Tapi also with her art with her art style ni, dia implement about itulah pollution, about environment tu. Kira potong potong pokok, kira
Oh, okay. So instead of putting human, put as animal to make it a bit
lagi
interesting.
itulah.
Yeah. Okay.
And over here, dia buat a 3D model of a house. Dia punya topiknya I'll explain later.
Okay.
Tapi I will demonstrate dia punya interior design-nya lah.
Alright, sure.
Dia dah boleh detach. Oh, sorry ya. Takut aku. Okay lah. And then ada hidden Easter egg lah. Yang the painting from section 1, dia ada masukkan sana.
Nice detail.
So, his topic is basically about poverty lah.
Poverty. I see.
Kan macam, unfortunately, in this day and age, masih ada poverty lah. So, he's trying to spread awareness lah pasal yang masa DY ke KL, yang dia banyak jumpa this type of people lah. And this is rumah orang biasa, but then, unfortunately, kalau untuk orang susah, dia tinggal di sini. Okay, you can see from here lah. You can see the contrast.
Ah, yeah.
Yang orang susah, and kalau orang yang hidupnya senang sikit di atas sini lah.
Okay. Cool. Then, what's this? So many cameramen from here.
I think this is bagian RTV. So I think we're gonna show later lah. So we'll move over here first.
Alright.
So for her project is basically topiknya ruins and revival. Ia kan macam apa ni, daripada barang membuang, dia basically recycle back lah into making this tiny dioraman. Maybe you can see the barang dah.
Okay.
So I know yang di sana ada keycaps, cardboards, even macam chopstick punya tu lah jadi kaki meja.
Oh, interesting little detail.
So her theme is basically about recycle and environmental punya topic awareness.
Ah, okay. And then this one, the burn building. What does it represent?
I think it's
Yeah,
about how this barangan ni affect the the environment basically. And then even Ani pun, if you realize, dia punya dindingnya is using pattern pakai straw, right?
Oh yeah, it does. Oh, cool.
And this is keycaps, jadikan jadi kursi.
Keycap as in the
Yang the
keyboard.
keyboards punya.
Oh, inventive. Okay.
That's her project. So for her project, imagine we're the stalker punya perspective. So macam this is how they see in a macam apa ni, in our everyday life. Kira kami punya privacy akan kena breach. So I think can
Okay, I'm not sure if the camera can see or not. Not sure you guys can see. Yeah.
Ada kan nampak?
Yeah. Okay, so it's like a frame.
kira we're the peeping tom lah, the perspective
Okay.
of this kira this group of people.
Oh, nice. And then this one.
Ini unfortunately hindi berapa tarang tapi I hope na.
Yeah, it's like it's very dark.
Oh.
Even the camera can't focus. What is it showing? Okay.
And this is
What
the-
is it actually behind this one?
Kira the project, the topic or the
This particular thing. Like what is it? Because I can't even see as well.
I think ia pakai macam the microscope punya glasses. So ia masukkan dalam sini.
Okay.
So ia macam bagi effect of like kami lihat through door macam apa ni yang peeping door punya tu. Katalah you melihat sana.
Okay.
And this is the character lah yang peeping tom.
Oh, why? Which one is the eye?
This one, both of it lah the eyes. Tapi kononnya itu tetap sebelah pasal yang menyumbuk kan.
Oh yeah, makes sense. Okay, cool.
And So this is the project of my girlfriend. And basically, her project is apa nih? Her journey from a science student to an art student. Pasal originally backgroundnya science, badan ia macam disangka yang ambil this course kan bagian art. So ia showing her journey from awal-awal dia sketches, apa nih traditional lukisan, and then slowly improve into painting, and then lastly ia handal sudah in making apa nih kira 3D media punya komputer lah.
Oh, yes, yes.
So itu ada 3 stages
Oh, so basically go from like 2D to 3D kind of art,
transition.
something like that. I see.
And then ia apa nih kira dia mau kita orang yang the visitors, the people that even though you know the background art, if she can do it, you can do it. Macam lah. Over here, kira his project is basically making a 3D printing machine, 3D printing lah.
Of
This is the
like-
guy.
oh, weapon from video game, right? So maybe
Yeah.
it's a hammer, Thor.
So this is so far the one yang dia 3D print.
Oh, I see. Let me take a closer look.
Naruto Shippuden.
I think some of these guys might recognize.
Ya,
Oh,
so
okay.
boleh lihat. Tuh,
Nice.
kira I think this gun is from Cyberpunk. Is it? Yeah, Cyberpunk Skippy.
Oh, Skippy. Yeah, cool. How does it? Oh,
So sini. Yep.
that's the knee.
So yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like ada sudah di Brunei lah 3D printing punya apa nih punya machine.
Oh, nice.
Boleh
nice. Okay, cool.
So now slowly we're moving arah the transformative punya section, which is the section 3. So here, dia punya projectnya is basically yang membuat business baju sama seluar. Alah, aku nak pakai hari ni. Tapi aku one of the guy yang bali lah seluarnya.
Ah,
And then dia punya bajunya ini sama seluarnya ni is made in Vietnam. Pasal dia mau tolong people over there yang ada disability, but giving them opportunity untuk buat untuk bekerja. So it is handmade by these people yang with disability di Vietnam. And you can see the material is not bad. And then ada macam unique style lah, jeansnya,
oh yeah.
seluarnya. Can see.
Okay. So the fabric
Kira-
made out of
Baju kain yang macam tidak lagi guna tapi kena reuse. Kira daripada berbuang, ya itulah membuat balik into a new baju and seluar.
oh, okay.
And he's also one of the person yang sponsor this exhibition. Itulah.
Oh, daun kop.
Can visit ada Instagramnya.
Right. Nice, nice. And then, wow, this is like make it like a 10.
Basically, ia ada collaboration with si Daun juga. Her project is macam about the childhood. Kan kami usually di rumah, macam main dengan bantal, selimut. So, ia use this kain lama untuk reimagine of how it feels like to be a kid again. So, boleh duduk dalam, boleh lihat dalam, itulah.
Oh, okay. You can
Yeah,
later
boleh masuk
try.
dalam.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, maybe later. Okay.
And over here, dia punya projectnya is buat kira model of a mall, I think. Non-existing, tapi macam he's showing the idea lah of how dia buat the mall.
Okay.
Like,
Neat.
kalau mau lihat inside of it, dari sini.
24 or 7-Eleven.
Ya,
Oh,
banyak
inside, yeah.
banyak Easter egg juga ni, tapi I cannot find all of it.
Really? What kind of Easter egg?
If you know masa ni yang trending, yang the meme yang about the LC dude, yang LC sign, do you know?
Oh no, I'm not aware of it.
I think zaman sorry, Gen Z punya meme kali.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ya buat this building.
Ah, okay, cool. And
Unfortunately baterinya macam habis bateri kali.
what
Sepatutnya
is
dah
supposed
berlampu
to?
ni.
Oh, got light.
Ya.
Where's the light coming from?
I'm not should be dari sini tu nah. Yang ground floor. Can you see it? The LED strip. Sepatutnya
Oh.
berlampu tu.
I see. Okay. And then, this one is using the AI to generate this one.
No, ia bukan pakai AI. Ia basically macam apa ni? Kira from the building, ia melihatkan how it may look like.
Oh, but this one is it using AI or just
Wait, is it AI?
because it seems like it because of the face it
Oh.
looked like
I think
not
it is.
normal. Yeah.
Sorry,
but-
baru aku sadar.
Oh really? Oh.
Tapi yeah, I think this is how it may look like from inside lah.
Ah, okay. Cool. Oh. They even have that one Jeff
Sorry?
shot from Marvel.
You know the character
yes,
banyak.
I play it, Marvel Rival.
I think tu macam cerita hidden Easter egg.
Ah, okay. Cool.
And over here, this is his project. Namanya Arthriate. Basically, it helps people yang ada arthritis lah. These people yang ada arthritis, sorry, tongue twisting. Ia ada masalah with joints lah. So using his product ni, it helps untuk macam therapy lah, untuk for them untuk practice apa. This is his product. So, boleh main, boleh susun. For us senang, tapi unfortunately for them, they need help lah untuk therapy. And this is his final product, and this is his kira masa tu model lah.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Dia buat tu pakai software SketchUp.
SketchUp. Okay, cool.
Over here, dia punya project is basically in terms of interior design je. Specifically buat furniture lah. Dia buat furniture ni pakai recyclable material. So, can you guess this bunga dia buat dari pakai apa?
Not sure. Some sort of.
Himnya-
Don't think it's a pepper.
Sorry?
The-
Himnya ia buah.
Huh?
Buah.
Fruit?
Yes. Ia ada prosesnya macam almost like the dry flower
Oh.
processing, dry flower process. Can you guess it? No.
No.
It's actually made out of corn punya daun. Jagung.
Oh, yeah.
Yang punya daun
stem.
ada kan.
Okay.
And even the shelf of the plant punya pot is made out of egg punya carton. Kira ia recycle.
Oh, nice. Okay, and then what's all this thing?
Yeah, I'm not too confident to share, but then I think ia buat daripada macam cardboard, and then ia layered with tape and paint and coat.
Oh,
So it is recyclable material, this shelf.
Recyclable.
And then very sturdy.
interesting. So only like this one. Is it all recyclable or
I think
made
so.
of material?
Even this mirror punya frame-nya tu, ia buat sendiri.
Oh. Okay. Cool.
Over here is my project.
Nice.
So my project is called a portable coffee bench table. Kan masa ni ada banyak pop-up vendors kan. So my goal is that it helps them untuk senang membawa here and there lah this table. And I am very fortunate I'm being sponsored by Suka Coffee Cafe. So after I graduate, they're going to use this table lah.
Oh, nice.
So why desainnya macam ni? Because it fits with dia punya branding, which is modern, minimalist, and simple lah. And ia boleh
Cool.
attach and detach.
Ah,
So this is how it looks like lah kalau ia kena cabut.
okay. Cool.
And this is my portfolio of my journey of macam mana aku buat this project. from about myself, and I'm showing my skill, sketching the software and physically membuat the kayu. And then mood board. This is my sketches of like awal-awal punya idea, slowly berubah into ada improvement of design. Then lepas itu aku buat the 3D software, pakai the specific measurement and materials. This is the 3D product rendering.
Okay.
Even Nani pun ada finalize, ada macam berubah final last minute lah. Originally macam ni, but then aku ubah jadi squarish punya design. Pasal this is what the client wants. So what I did is basically aku tambah extra piece to the side and front component.
Okay.
And this is me in a private workshop, aku buat sendiri. But I do admit I did ask help here and there a little bit lah, advices especially from my old D&T teacher.
I see.
So thank you for them lah. And thank you to Circle Coffee for sponsoring this project.
Nice. Okay.
Kalau over here, her project is basically business to dong. And do you know the dip and dye punya proses yang macam mana?
Dip and dye.
So, yang ni, sorry ya. Okay. Kira yang main macam dye-nya tu arah water dan kami dip.
Okay. Dip.
So that's the inspiration design of this tudong.
Oh, this it become like this one. I see.
Tapi I don't think dia buat pakai dip and dye process, tapi the design is inspired from the dip and
From
dye.
that one, I see.
Then the three main color of Powerpuff Girl,
Yeah.
which is Blossom, Buttercup, and itu tu balik.
Bubble.
Bubble and Buttercup.
Yeah, correct.
And macam how it looks like kalau pakai, made out of cotton. Masa ni habis in stock, pasal banyak yang beli sudah.
Wow. Nice.
By Arina Harun. Can visit
Harun.
her Instagram lah, Rap Arina.
Okay. See. Wow, this looks very cool.
So over
So
here,
gothic.
her project is basically interior design and theme-nya apa ni? Gothic lah. And you can look through it.
Okay. See. Ooh.
Supposed to be ada business card-nya sini, tapi habis sudah.
okay. Yeah, I can see why based on the design. Cool. So, wait, this is inspired by Kills. Okay, I never heard before. Do you know about that?
I just know dia punya she as a person very gothic lah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, showing her creativity by
I see. I thought she got inspiration from the which one? The cartoon I forgot. Is it Nightmare Elm Street?
Oh,
Something
boleh
like that?
boleh. Even
Yeah.
itu yang I forgot the name. Yang ani. Do you know the character? I forgot.
Caroline, I think.
Caroline, yes.
Yeah.
Kira that's her favorite movie lah.
I see. Okay.
And
Then.
kalau over here, her project is about interior design. Even this frame yang dalam the 3D apa ni? Media punya aspect, dia buat sendiri ni pakai Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator.
Oh, okay. Let's
Boleh lihat?
take a closer look.
Dia buat sendiri lah. Kira she's trying to show her graphic design skill
Oh,
and also her interior design
interior
punya
design, which is this one, the bottom one. Cool.
Over here, basically her project is showing macam apa ni, a place untuk bergambar lah. Inspired from, dia adang suka anime kan. So this is her unique way of showing her portfolio
Oh, okay.
of her journey of making the wing design.
Nice.
And the visitors boleh bergambar cara macam mana kononnya, like boleh sini and bergambar, kononnya ada sayap.
Oh, just like that.
Macam tu lah her project final year.
Okay, cool. Interesting.
And
And then let's see what else.
over here,
Oh,
his project is inspired from AI, and then dari AI itu ia make it into 3D lah, and ia minat Gundam kan, so ia masukkan Gundamnya into his project. kira from Brunei punya heritage.
Heritage.
That's why the topic is heritage reimagined. Macam di sini apa ni macam apa ni forest Brunei. Ini Masjid Brunei.
Masjid.
And
Then
ini
this
yang
one
kalau
is
di
the-
bandar lah, Kampung Air.
Kampung Air. Okay. Right.
Kalau for her project, is basically ia buat this bunga. If you see closely, kira bunganya buat made out of macam plastic spoon sama glue stick. So ia macam kira recycle
Okay.
and ia demonstrate her project by macam making a place untuk bergambar je lah. Macam boleh gambar
I
sini.
see.
Kata lah.
Oh, nice.
Famous dia orang bergambar sini.
Just that there's lack of lighting though.
Ya,
Ya.
I think macam kena habis kali dia punya lampunya.
Oh yeah, could be.
Ya, masa tu
Okay.
tarang ni.
Really? Oh. Okay.
Over here, her project is making a cartoon, a 1-minute cartoon about the character buaya. Itulah namanya Haji Buaya.
And this one, how long is it? The duration?
I think Batai. It's like about. I remember.
Is it this one? 1 minute 43 second.
Yes, even though 1 minute and macam 1 minute saja dia punya cartoonnya.
But the process is it
Batak.
take very long time. Oh.
So this is her itulah animation.
Okay. Do you have idea like what she used? Maybe like just a guess.
I think she's using Adobe Illustrator ba? Was she? Perfect. She's using After Effects
After
punya
Effects.
software.
To do all this, or she used other software as well in between.
That one I'm not too sure. Tapi so far that's the one that she told us lah.
Okay.
This one almost the same with her. Tapi instead of using that software, she's using a Blender software lah to make the cartoon animation. Kira she's making a 3D motion comic.
So this one is mostly about sci-fi.
All of this are made by herself. Same with tadi lah, Haji Buaya.
Oh, okay.
One
But this one doesn't have any audio.
Iya, maksudnya macam tadi cartoon kan, ini
Ah.
for more to 3D motion comic.
Okay. Got it.
Over here, basically ia buat macam apa ni, a business of making this star punya tu lah, punya wall. Bananya is famous kalau orang buat arah atas rooftop of kereta. But then you can also make it arah your ceiling, arah your own bilik. And then I'm not really fully aware about this apa ni section, tapi I know it's very famous out there and very pricey lah kalau akan minta custom.
Oh yeah.
Tapi ia buat sendiri lah.
Yeah, imagine putting this on your room. Oh.
Aku mau pulang lah ya. Lawa pulang.
Dang. Okay.
And over here is his project is basically Ada Sudah. It's a business of a Bravo Sport Network. Ia buat a live siaran langsung punya macam RTB tapi bagian sport. So ia melihatkan ia punya apa yang ia ada di sini. Ia punya apa namanya? Setupnya. Ia punya setupnya.
Oh, okay.
So you can switch punya channel. Pasal banyak orang cuma lihat the live punya TV kan. Tapi we
correct.
don't know the behind the scene of
Behind
it.
the scene. I see.
Boleh switch.
Okay.
Wait, berubah. Alah, dia
Does
connected banyak. Tapi usually supposed to be connected to this monitor lah. So
Monitor,
boleh berubah macam from camera 4, camera 2. Macam tu.
Oh, I can switch the view. And then this one is the
They already did dia punya apa ni live masa tu lah.
nice.
And for him, his project is about a product produk yang tolong posture lah.
Okay.
So if aku pakai this strap, ia terus macam my posture terus usai. Simple but then it's effective.
Effective.
And lastly,
Okay.
project by my friend. Kira dia punya title is kain kembali. Dia reuse the kain batik kan ni into making to apa ni? Anting-anting, galang, and cincin.
Oh,
So,
I see. Okay. So,
ni lah the kain batik punya tu lah, punya pattern. Sekejap. And then dari sini punya design, dia buat into anting-anting.
this one. Oh, creative. Yes. Okay.
And I think that's all from
That's all.
the exhibition. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Thank you.